the scent, it sticks to your skin. Before you know it, the chase begins. Nature trails where she